So here we have our pork loin that we're going to be doing today. So we're going to go ahead and add our binder. The rub of choice we're going to be using today is the Malcolm's King Crawl Cajun seasoning. He did one of these and he used the pork loin for this rub. So, oh man, I want to try this. We're going to pat it in there. We're going to do the same on this one. Now this is pork loin that we got at Fred Meyer's. And so we're going to add more of this Cajun, a nice thick coat for this piece. Now for this one, I like to cook it at 150. That's how I've always liked my pork loin to be at, and so this one's going to be perfect for that. So we're going to be cooking this on our Z grill at 250 degrees until internal temp hits about 150. That's how I like my pork. That being said, let's go and fire our Z grill. All right, our Z grill's up to temp, 250 degrees. Go ahead and add our pork loin in here. We'll be back when it hits 150. Alright, it's been an hour and 40 minutes. Let's see where we're at. Right on the money. Right on the money. Let's take it out. Alright, let's take it out. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. So here we have our HowToBbqRight brisket knife. Love it. Join this knife. Everything you guys see here today, there'll be a link in the description for anything of Killer Hogs. You guys will not be disappointed. Alright, so here you have it. Look at that juiciness. Smell test? Great. Smells great. That's some good taste. That's really good taste. And that's delicious. Make sure you guys check out the Killer Hog products. Link in the description. I will see you guys next time.